Hi everyone, this video is going to show you how to rasterize an image in Adobe Photoshop. So when you first place in an image, what it will do is create a smart object. The smart object means that you won't be able to do much editing with it, and that's why we need to rasterize. So if you find your image and drop it into Photoshop, you can see it here, I can edit the size of it, and then if we press enter to put it into the layers officially, you can see it's got this little icon there. That means it is a smart layer. Now if we don't do anything with that and go over to our brush tool or our eraser tool, it's got the little crossover that says no, not happening. So you can rasterize an image one of two ways. You can click on it and say yes, we want to go from smart object to make it rasterize, and say OK. And then we see that that little icon is now removed and we can go in and edit things. Or you can right click on the layer and then choose rasterize layer. Either one will work. Thanks for watching.